Got some speakers. Hey guys, we're gonna put my sound system into Bluke, which I got for Christmas. Also wire up this phone charger. Oh, so it's USB-A, USB-C. I'll put my quad lock in. Yeah, so these are the speakers that we're putting in. These are 6x9s in the back, and then these are 6-inch, I think, for the front. Yeah, I also got this for my birthday. Thanks, Grandma. That'll be good to test out. Yeah. That's not going anywhere. Lovely. A bit hard to line up. Put that way. Awesome. Now just stereo and speakers. It's been cut nicely. Perfect fit. Now we've got to drill that out so we can fit the plug. Where's what? Yeah.
That's alright. It's cool.
Alright, phone works. And that's on 12 out of 50. That'll go way louder.
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Just calling me on your toe.
That 40, it loses it a bit.
That is so loud. Turn it down. It's nearly 9.
Yeah, but it's fine. At 45, it was losing it a bit. You could hear it breaking down a bit in the bass. The treble and mid was good.
Yeah.
But that bass was losing it a bit. If we had the amp hooked up, I reckon it'd smash it.
Yeah.
It'd be fucking awesome.
Alright, so we're having a little bit of trouble mounting the speakers. So in here, the 4 holes on this don't line up with the 4 holes in that. So instead of mounting it how it's meant to, being diagonal, we're going up like that and drilling new holes for it. So yeah, that's alright, we just gotta get the holes lined up right. So, what a mission. But like, it's a little bit kind of warped, I guess, but it's alright. It'll still hold stuff. And it's bending a fair bit around the speaker, but it'll be fine. It's secure, it's not going anywhere. Whew. One down in 17 minutes. Alright, we're calling it there for today because it's already 10 o'clock and I'm tired. So we'll keep going tomorrow. Right, so the main reason that I recorded this video is because I bought a new action camera, a DJI Action 5 Pro, and it's really good. Like, so far, I've had no troubles or complaints or anything with it. It's been very good. Very good battery life. Like, I recorded probably 2 hours worth of stuff and it only went down to 40%. So that's pretty good. And yeah, it's got internal storage and everything, so yeah, there'll be more very good videos coming soon.